Hey guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at SMCI stock. So we'll do the price action analysis. Let's identify what are the trading levels to watch on SMCI. Are we still bullish or are we about to cool off? Shall we take a short play on this going into next week? Or shall we look for a potential place to buy on this? We'll take a look at all of that in this video, and we'll be able to identify how to trade it going into this next week. Also, if you are interested, guys, check out this channel of mine, Junior Trader Dividend Investing channel. I'm building a portfolio here based off of the dividends, and my plan is to grow this over time on my channel. So feel free to follow along the journey if you are interested. Just go and subscribe and take a look at these couple of videos that I have done and made some moves already on it. So yep, that's that, guys. All right, let's come back over here and begin our technicals here. So we have so a little bit of background on SMCI, guys, is we got this double bottom here, and I already talked about it back then, that expected rebound from here. And then we formed this next pivot, right? And that's where I covered my short position that I was trying to open, but yeah, didn't work out as per the plan. And so that's why we have stop losses. But yeah, I started sizing out right over here. Now, yeah, this is a pivot in the uptrend on this, and we have been going up, right? So we got this green candle, which also changed, guys. That's pretty much getting above $855 was the change of structure, because this is where the previous resistances zones were, right? And that's why it's very important to see, well, this green candle, the structure on SMCI is still bullish. We have higher lows and higher highs. But you can ask, Junior Trader, are you kidding? Are you kidding me? Are we bullish? I'm seeing these two red candles. What are you talking about? We are bearish. No. Wait, we are not bearish. So what is this? This is just a pullback. Yes, it may look like a massive pullback. It's a stock SMCI that moves like $50, $100 in a day. This is what we have been saying, guys. So I talked about this in one of my videos yesterday in the morning, if you have seen that, with Nvidia, as if we lose $912, provided we have this sell-off come in yesterday, we can cool off down to 855. Intraday shorts, yes, that's fine. 855 is a possibility, but on the swing side and in the overall structure, that has to be taken as a pullback. So, and then since we are above 20 days moving average, right now we are seeing a resistance at 50 days moving average. So this short play can still continue down to 855, but structure is still bullish on the longer horizon or the swing. So 20 days moving average is coming from below. 855 could be taken as a potential reload zone for the long play. And that's what I might do. And based on if my capital, I have been loving my plays on Tesla. I have been enjoying the ride, making money to the upside. Check those videos out on my channel if you are interested. But yeah, if I have capital available away from Tesla, because I'm planning to trade Nvidia quite a lot going into next week, the earnings volatility. But yeah, so SMCI, this is the level I'm watching, 855 if I want to start my long play. But I want to see the price action here if it holds support. Now, that's the level, 855, because the structure is still bullish. All right, this is just a pullback so far. Now, before that, also to talk more about it, let's go to the hourly interval, because on daily we have that 20 days moving average coming in from below as well to give it a support. Now, when we are in one side, right, the trend is uptrend. So don't trade swing shorts. Intraday shorts, they could be traded like we got this sell-offs, right? And then we have these lower highs, right? So these are all intraday short plays, right? Break off the level, trade it to the downside, but do close your position by the end of the day. Now, here's the thing. If SMCI wants to continue to fall, even if falls to 855, that's going to be still a bullish structure, and this will be intraday short, but swing bullish structure. And then we have to see if this level continues to hold, and then we might see an upside. Now we have to see the price action, right? And consolidations to see the support holding. There's another thing that could happen. If SMCI gets above the level of 896 from where it is and starts to make its way around 911 above, it's a long play right away from here. It's just gonna go up again, and then we'll see what it does at 971. So technically SMCI, since its overall direction is still to the uptrend, we have to see any structure break. If it has to happen on Monday, it has to happen at 896. Then we'll have to see if it continues higher. I would say let it go above 20 and 50 hours moving average as well. That's why I'm saying this level of 911. All right. Otherwise, if we continue to reject 896, can't break above this, and we start to lose the level of 880, it will continue down to 855. So that's the way to trade it. Structure on the overall picture right now still is bullish as long as we are maintaining ourselves above 880, 855. And I'm seeing this 200 hours moving average coming from below as well as a support. I'm seeing 20 days moving average also coming from below as a support. So things are still on the technically upside. Structure is not to the downside. Structure is just doing a pullback here. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for SMCI. Easy peasy, not even any complications, right? So if you found this video helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe, and with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.